Assalamualaikum, Sasiakal, Kemcho, Majama, Kasakai, Marhaba, welcome to DanishVlogsster. So guys, today, as you know, it's the New Year's Eve and tomorrow it's going to be New Year. So first of all, I'd like to say Happy New Year to all my lovely people, whoever follows me, subscribes to me. Thank you very much. And guess where I am? I'm at Starcity at Etci Mehmet, guys. Today we're going to celebrate the New Year. Not only that, guys, I've been wanting to come here for a long time and today I'm here. I'm going to be trying one of their steaks. One of the Dallas, it's called the Dallas 400-600 ounce. I need to try that out. It's basically cooked, well done, and try it out. Not only that, guys, the baklavas are quite nice. I've heard a lot about their baklavas. There's a lot of hypes going on. It's too much hype in there, but you know what? Let's go inside and have a look, see what Etci Mehmet is all about. So chalo mare naal. Guys, we are at Etci Mehmet today, and guess what, guys? It's been a while. I've been trying to come here for a long time, but today I got a chance to come here with my family. So I thought, why not, while I'm here, do a little bit of video shooting as well for the YouTube. So first things first, we've ordered some drinks, and guess what? This is my drink, and it seems like it's got cucumber in there. This is called Etci Power. I don't know why, because it's like an energy drink. That's what it is. We also got the Blue Lagoon. That looks quite nice as well. Blue Lagoon type. Quite nice colour. It's got a lemon on top of it. Quite tasty as well. So I'm going to try both of them and see how it is. Let's try the energy drink one and see taste this out. Basically, it's just a normal energy drink, and cucumbers added in there, icy with a bit of cherry as well, so that's alright. I'm going to try this out. It's basically, I'll call it Blue Lagoon, similar type. It's got a different name here, but let's taste this out and see how this one. I really like that. Quite tasty, this one. It's quite nice. The other one's more refreshing, but I think this one's quite nice. Guys, the music's on. guys, they're gonna do the cooking, special cooking steaks here. What you had is the oil? So guys, I got my steak here. I went for the Dallas one and got my steak. You've seen the picture before. Guys, the steaks, okay, I wouldn't say it's all that, but I think it's all about hype here. I went for the steak to be cooked medium, not well done. Well, I reckon I should have done it cooked well done. The steak's alright, but I wouldn't say it's all that. But mashallah, enjoying the family time, New Year guys, because it's New Year, you know, tomorrow, 1st January, so we thought come with family, come out and enjoy the atmosphere as well at the same time. It's quite hyper, quite a lot of music, dancing, because the other year, overrated it. Okay. Food wise, one off guys is fine, but I wouldn't recommend to come all the time here. That's my own personal opinion. The steak's nice, I wouldn't say it's all that. I think there was one that I really enjoyed it. I think that's the only best bit here. Apart from that, if you want to have like a steak, I would recommend to go for dollars, but go for like cooked, well done, not medium guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and guys, from me and from my family, Happy New Year and enjoy your New Year. This is Kafi Mushkil Tha. 2021 was a bit hard, but hopefully inshallah 2022 will be a great year for all of you lovely people. And keep watching DanishVlogsster. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now and share it with your family and friends. All I'm gonna say for now is take care and CAFÉS. See you in the next vlog. So there's a wheel as well outside Etci Mehmet, so once you ate you can come outside and enjoy a bit of kid with the kids. ओनर है एचसी मेहमत का ओनर है